I was a student at the time. My boyfriend, now my husband, and his father owned a collection of classic cars, Mustangs, Comets, and Falcons. We drove different ones almost every day. They were in various stages of restoration and needed repairs. I walked into class half an hour late, covered in grease and sweat, and tried to explain. The car caught fire. Don't ask me how, ask him, because he didn't even blink when flames shot out of the engine. We ended up having to push it. Just then, another student walked into the classroom. Katie, what class is your boyfriend in? His car is on fire in the parking lot.